Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Roblox and your game keeps crashing after update, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox keeps crashing on your computer without any errors easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go ahead and update your graphic cards drivers. So I'm going to show you how to do that for Intel, AMD and Nvidia. You're going to come here, you're going to click onto support, click download center, then you're going to click onto graphics here and then you're going to search for your graphics card here. And then you're going to download the latest Intel Arc drives on your computer and install them. Now I'm going to show you AMD. You're going to go on to amd.com, resources and support, drivers. You're going to scroll down, click graphics here, Radeon RX, and select your graphics card series and then model. Click submit, click your operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers. Now I'm going to show you NVIDIA. You're going to go on to nvidia.com, click drivers then. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphics card along with your operating system, click find then, and then it will find you the latest GeForce Game Ready drivers. Once you're here, just download the latest GeForce Game Ready drivers and install them on your computer. After you're done installing the drivers, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here control panel, click onto uninstall a program here. You're going to search for Roblox here and then uninstall it from your computer. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here Microsoft Store. You're going to go into it and you're going to download Roblox from the Microsoft Store. Just download it from here, click install, and then it will install on your computer. After that, you're going to go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face those crashes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.